based on the flavors of geometry. We have given it the name Petestatum Geometrium. It is a Latin word meaning the power of geometry. Here we have the whole earth in one hand. It's the hand of a human being. We are holding the earth. So we have given this layout to make it clear that this mastic is a simple thing but having a geometrical basis. So to make it clear that from the mastic, which is a simple thing, till the complex elliptical movement, we have some geometrical means. So in nature, we know flowers are some simple things, but here it has a pentagonal shape, and pentagonal is actually a geometrical figure. Again, in architecture, Taj Mahal is an absolute beauty. It's one of the seven wonders of the world situated in Agra, and Taj Mahal is just simply a building which is an arrangement, a perfect arrangement of geometrical figures. Then here in the air transportation, the body of this aeroplane is perfectly proportional, and the tip of the plane is made so sharp so that it can pierce through the air. And again, the modern day communication technology and the elliptical movement of planets, they rotate in a elliptical figure. An ellipse is a geometrical figure. Elliptical movement is so known as elliptical movement, and ellipse is a geometrical figure. And ellipse is a geometrical figure which has two focus, and for each planet one focus is the sun. And this is the statement of Euclid. The laws of nature are but the mathematical thoughts of God. So the whole universe is filled with geometry, and to construct a better tomorrow, I think we need to understand the knowledge. We need to increase our knowledge, and only then the wars will be reduced and our world will become something peaceful. And we also explain here the great two mathematicians, Euclid and Pythagoras, who had made several kind of great attempts in the field of geometry, and this is our Petestatum geometry.
Today we are going to present the flavors of geometry. First of all, geometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with properties of lines, angles, points, surfaces and solids.
Mathematics is the language in which God has written in the universe, says by Galileo Galilei, an Italian astronomer and physicist. And also, Johannes Kepler says that where there is matter, there is geometry.
The word geometry comes from two Greek words, geo meaning earth and metron meaning measurement.
We all know that Euclid is the father of geometry, and his book Elements is called the Bible of Mathematics.
There are three main flavors of geometry. They are symmetry, fractals and pattern.
First, we can discuss about symmetry. And symmetry is the quality of being dividing about two equal parts, and we can see many things that show symmetry in nature. First of all, we can say that flowers, fruits, vegetables, insects like butterflies show symmetry, and also even the architecture like Taj Mahal show vertical line of symmetry, and many letters show different types of symmetry.
The next one is pattern. We can see that the honeycomb here shows hexagonal segments which make a beautiful pattern, and also the kiwi fruit shown here has seeds arranged in a particular pattern which adds beauty to it.
The next concept that gives flavor to geometry is fractals. Fractals means if we take a certain segment of a figure, we can see that if we enlarge it, we can see that that figure is like the exact copy of the whole figure. For example, fern leaves. In fern leaves, we can see that if we take some particular segment of these fern leaves, it is the exact copy of the whole fern leaves. And we can also see fractals in nature like thunderstorms, river systems, etc.
This is our poster for today on the theme Flavors of Geometry, and this is Euclidean geometry. We have taken Euclidean geometry in particular. So Euclidean geometry is a mathematical system which involves the study of plane and solid figures and is attributed to the Alexandrian Greek mathematician Euclid.
Euclid is the father of geometry. Euclid has mainly made 7 axioms. Things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. If equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. If equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. Things that coincide with one another are equal to one another. The whole is greater than the part. Things which are double of the same things are equal to one another, and things which are half of the same things are equal to one another.
And he has written 5 postulates also. His 5th postulate is known as parallel postulate because many other mathematicians has also given equivalent variations for all this. And he has written a book named The Elements, which includes the basis of geometry. And the important well-known results based on Euclidean geometry are the bridge of Ass's theorem, the triangle angle sum theorem, the Pythagoras theorem, and the Thales theorem. And about the uses, geometry is also used in a more technical sense within various jobs like astronomy, chemical, etc. It finds a place in all these.
Morning. So here I'm representing flavors of geometry. First, we should know what is geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with measurements and relationships of lines, points, angles, etc. So, Flavors of Geometry is a collection of lectures on 4 geometrically influenced mathematical versions. It presents chapters on topics like hyperbolic geometry, convex geometry, dynamics in various variations. The style and presentation of these chapters are clear and accessible. It includes bibliographies and indexes which encourages reading. It is also an influential resource for the graduate students and undergraduate mathematics students. The 2 lectures of Flavors of Geometry are Convex Geometry and Hyperbolic Geometry. Convex geometry mainly includes Euclidean space. It occurs naturally in conventional geometry, analysis geometry, theory, and probability. And hyperbolic geometry we get by assuming the Euclid postulates, except the 5th one, which we get by negation. And hyperbolic geometry, there exists a line L and a point P not on L, and 2 distinct lines A and B, which is parallel to L. That is all about Flavors of Geometry.
And myself Lena. Myself Swati. Here we are explaining the Metriateran cube, which has 13 spirals, and it explains the femininity, and the straight lines explains the masculinity, and the Fibonacci seeds of spirals of the sunflower face exhibits this phenomena, and the honeycomb, it has a perfect hexagonal figure.
And when we look to the modern era, we find that all these things are made up of geometrical shapes. We conclude by seeing all these pictures that the universe is made up of geometry.
And without geometry, our life is pointless.